Welcome to our channel. Every golfer experiences bad holes, but champions recover quickly. These mental strategies help you bounce back and protect your score. Step 1. Accept that bad holes happen to everyone, regardless of skill level. Even professionals occasionally make big numbers. Don't catastrophize or let one hole define your round. Step 2. Use a reset ritual immediately after a bad hole. Take several deep breaths, adjust your glove, or use another physical trigger to release frustration and refocus. Step 3. Analyze what went wrong factually without emotional judgment. Identify the specific mistake, whether technical, strategic, or mental. Learn from it, then let it go. Step 4. Remember that golf is an 18-hole game. One triple bogey can be offset by several birdies or pars. Your round isn't over after a bad hole. Step 5. Focus exclusively on the next shot. Don't dwell on what just happened or worry about the total score. Present moment focus prevents compounding mistakes. Step 6. Use positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with constructive, encouraging statements. Champions maintain confident internal dialogue regardless of circumstances. Step 7. Take a short break if possible. Walk slowly to the next tee, look around at the scenery, or chat with your playing partners. Creating mental space helps reset. Step 8. Challenge yourself to play the next few holes particularly well. Turn a bad hole into motivation rather than demoralization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.